This is the real-time rows, and we've got verb issues here and parallelism issues here. So let's start out with the verb issues, and those are going to affect the middle three answer choices. We have the subject, the publishers. They decided, and we already have an error in punctuation, but I don't like to use missing commas to mark things right and wrong in the SAT because it's kind of a weak system. But let's assume that this had been punctuated correctly. The publishers decided, with the printing of the mysterious manuscript, then they have to the leaving. The correct verb here would be to leave. You want an infinitive because we already have the verb. We have the publishers decided. They decided to leave, so you'd want to use an infinitive. We don't have that, so it's wrong, and I call this wrong for verb reasons. On the third one, we have a similar issue. They decided to be leaving. Again, you want to have to leave, so that's also a verb issue. Here we have a different structure, so you'd use a different verb, but you'd still want the infinitive. We have to printing. That's also wrong. For verb reasons, it should be to print. And again, this is all because we already have the verb decided. So now we're choosing between answer choice A and answer choice E. To go forward from here, so notice that we have the correct infinitive leave in both cases. What we really want to use is parallelism. So let's take a look at how parallelism works. In the original sentence, we have the publishers doing two things. That's your signal that you need a parallel structure. The publishers decided two things. They decided to, 1, print the mysterious manuscript, and 2, they would leave. Now, we want these to be parallel in a structural sense. So, for example, since print is a verb, you want to have a verb in the second parallel element to be parallel. Print is a verb, they is actually a noun, so that's a problem. Right, so let's say this is wrong. But in the last answer choice, they decided to print verb and leave verb. So that's going to be your correct answer.